Why do we often feel like we're using only a fraction of our brain's potential? Imagine if you could unlock the full power of your mind, harmonizing the analytical and creative to enhance every aspect of your life. Whole brain integration isn't just a lofty goal. It's a practical pathway to boosting cognitive function, creativity, and problem-solving skills. By engaging both hemispheres of the brain, we can achieve a more balanced and effective way of thinking. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone curious about personal development, tapping into this dual power can open up new dimensions of possibility. Now, let's explore how to activate both sides of your brain with techniques that foster this dynamic balance, paving the way for unprecedented personal growth and efficiency. Take the Stroop test. The Stroop test, named after the American psychologist John Ridley Stroop, is more than just a fascinating exercise. It's a doorway to understanding how our brain's hemispheres collaborate. When you attempt to say the color of the word blue, written in red ink, instead of reading the word itself, you're not just testing your brain's agility, you're bridging the gap between the logical analysis required by your left hemisphere and the creative interpretation demanded by your right. This simple yet effective test does wonders for enhancing the coordination between these two halves of our brain, promoting a kind of mental harmony that is essential in our daily multitasking lives. It's an exercise that brings to light our cognitive biases and how our perception can be influenced by language and color, challenging our brain to override its initial impulses. Engaging in this task regularly can sharpen our minds, making us more adept at handling tasks that require a nuanced balance of creativity and logic. It's a testament to our brain's incredible ability to adapt, learn, and grow, no matter the complexity of the task at hand. Try juggling. Juggling isn't just an impressive party trick. It's a dynamic way to enhance hand-eye coordination and activate the brain's full potential. Starting simple with 2 balls or scarves allows for a gentle introduction to this skill, gradually layering in complexity and perhaps using the less dominant hand for an added twist. This act of keeping multiple objects in motion requires precise timing, spatial awareness, and rhythm, all of which stimulate neural pathways and encourage the brain to make new connections. The beauty of juggling lies in its challenge to both brain hemispheres, demanding simultaneous engagement in a dance of coordination and creativity. It's this unique combination that fosters whole brain functioning, improving focus, concentration, and even problem-solving abilities. As you advance, juggling becomes more than just physical activity. It morphs into a meditative and cognitive exercise, proving that growing our brain's capacity for learning and adaptation can be as fun as it is beneficial. Embracing juggling as a regular practice can lead to significant improvements not only in brain health but also in the graceful coordination of our daily tasks and challenges. Learn a new skill. Embarking on the journey of learning a new skill, such as acquiring a new language or mastering a musical instrument, is akin to opening a door to a world of cognitive expansion. This endeavor calls into action the left brain's logical prowess to decode syntax and structure, while the right brain's creative flair adds nuance and emotion to this new form of expression. The act of strumming a guitar or conversing in a foreign tongue is not merely an exercise in memorization or repetition. It's an immersive experience that enriches the mind, promoting cognitive flexibility and enhancing memory. Each chord struck or word learned is a step towards bridging the hemispheres, making them work in harmony. This synthesis of logic and creativity doesn't just change how we perceive the world, it transforms how we engage with it, encouraging a more integrated and holistic approach to problem solving and creativity. Furthermore, the satisfaction derived from progressing in a new skill fosters a sense of achievement and self-confidence, underscoring the importance of lifelong learning for both personal growth and mental agility. Use your lazy limb. Challenging your brain by using your less dominant limb for daily tasks is like telling your brain to wake up and pay attention to something new. If you're right-handed, try writing your name with your left hand, or if you're used to kicking a ball with your right foot, switch it up and use your left. This simple switch forces your brain to engage neural pathways that are less frequently used, promoting neural plasticity and strengthening the connections between both hemispheres of your brain. It's a straightforward yet powerful way to engage your brain in a form of cross-training, enhancing coordination and motor skills in the process. Each attempt to write, eat, or throw with the opposite hand is not just a physical act, but a cerebral cerebral exercise that encourages adaptability and flexibility in brain function. Over time, these exercises can lead to improved balance, ambidexterity, and possibly even a new perspective on how you approach tasks, making your brain more agile and responsive to new challenges. It's a testament to the brain's capacity for growth and adaptation at any age through the simple act of stepping out of our motor comfort zone. Play mind games. Diving into mental games like crosswords, Sudoku, or various brain teasers is more than just entertainment. It's a gym session for your brain. These puzzles do not just pass the time, they stretch the cognitive muscles, enhancing problem-solving skills, memory, and processing speed. Engaging regularly in these brain exercises can lead to improvements not only in your ability to tackle complex problems, but also in aspects of your personality, such as persistence, attention to detail, and strategic planning. The variety available, from traditional paper puzzles to digital apps, means there's always a new challenge waiting to keep your brain engaged and alert. This constant stimulation is crucial in maintaining cognitive health, potentially warding off the mental decline associated with aging. As you navigate through the intricate paths of logic puzzles or decode the next sequence in a number game, you're not just solving a puzzle on the page or screen. You're building a stronger, more resilient brain capable of thinking faster and more efficiently. It's a reminder that our brains thrive on challenge and novelty, and keeping mentally active is key to lifelong learning and cognitive well-being. Solve math problems creatively. Approaching math problems from multiple angles not only makes the process more engaging, but also stimulates a deeper level of cognitive activity. By challenging yourself to find various solutions to a single problem, you encourage your brain to work in a more integrated manner, leveraging both its analytical and creative capacities. This practice not only enhances your problem-solving skills, but also fosters a flexible mindset, adaptable to different types of challenges. As you experiment with different methods and strategies, you engage in a form of mental gymnastics that strengthens the connections between the hemispheres of your brain. This dynamic approach to problem-solving ensures that learning is not just a passive absorption of information, but an active, enjoyable process that encourages exploration and innovation. It's a way to make math, often viewed as a rigid discipline, a playground for your mind's creative and logical powers to flourish together. By embracing complexity and variability in problem solving, you equip yourself with a versatile intellectual toolkit, ready for a wide range of challenges. Mind mapping. Mind mapping is a powerful technique that utilizes the full spectrum of your brain's capabilities. By visually organizing and connecting ideas, you engage the logical, analytical left hemisphere while simultaneously tapping into the creative, intuitive right hemisphere. This method of brainstorming or planning encourages you to draw connections between concepts, think more creatively, and organize your thoughts in a coherent, structured manner. The process of creating a mind map is both an art and a science, allowing for the free flow of ideas while requiring them to be categorized and structured efficiently. This dual engagement promotes holistic thinking, where both creative insights and logical analysis coalesce to form a more complete understanding of the subject at hand. Mind mapping is more than just a note-taking strategy. It's a reflection of how our brains best process information by making connections, seeing relationships, and synthesizing ideas into a cohesive whole. Whether you're tackling complex projects, studying for exams, or planning your future, mind mapping proves to be an invaluable tool for enhancing clarity, creativity, and comprehension. As we conclude our journey into activating both sides of your brain for whole brain integration, remember, harnessing the full potential of your mind is a journey, not a destination. Here at Mental Health Zone, we're dedicated to providing you with the tools and techniques to enhance every facet of your health and well-being. If you found these strategies for whole brain integration helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others who might benefit. Together, let's continue exploring ways to optimize our health, mind, and body. Stay tuned for more insightful content that empowers you to live your best life.